Writing the documentation for your product is hard, and keeping them up to date is even worse. Let's be honest. You have to go through the whole steps in your product and then write the article and then take screenshots, add markers or any other visual elements, edit the article, and finally publish it. Well, it's a whole lot of steps you have to go through. But it doesn't have to be that way. We can make this quicker. And I came up with something that exactly does this. How quickly we can write a documentation article without that kind of hassle. Now, you might probably say, well, I know you're going to use AI for this. And yes, you're right. We're going to use AI for this, but we're going to use AI responsibly. What does it mean? It means after we write the article, we are going to make sure that this article is less detectable by AI detectors and it is more natural to read. That's what we want from an AI generated article, right? So if that makes sense and if it sounds useful to you, let's get it started. All right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to record our screen while we're doing something and then give that screen recording to AI to write an article about. Okay? For the topic of this article, I chose this random little tutorial, how to add a checklist to a Trello item. Okay? So for the first part, I am choosing Clevera to record my screen and write an article about. You have to download Clevera and install on your computer and then open Clevera app and choose an area to record your screen. Let's just go back to our Trello tab and choose display. Start recording, proceed. I'm just going to add a new card. Let's say make a movie. Click on it, checklist, add. Okay, let's just come up with some checklist items. For example, write script, and then prepare camera, let's say. Okay, that's enough. Exit the card and complete recording. This is how Clevera works. It first creates a video tutorial based on your screen recording. Once the video is fully done and generated, then we are gonna go ahead and generate our article. So let's just wait for a few minutes. All right, the video is generated. And now let's go to article tab here, generate article. And here we choose a color for our markers that are going to appear on the screenshots in the article and confirm it. As you can see, the article is being generated and you can follow along, read the content as been written. Okay, as you can see, the article is almost generated. Screenshots are added. Captions are added for those screenshots, and also the article is written in a step-by-step format. And here is a nice call out to provide more useful information about an area of the task. And finally, we've got conclusions and FAQ. All right, now the article is generated, but we're not fully done yet. Remember, we need to make sure that the article is not flagged as it is written by AI. So let's just copy the entire article here from Clevera. And in this case, I chose this tool called QuillBot, which is giving a score based on your content, that how likely it is that the content is being written by AI. Let's just detect and click on detect AI and wait for our score. All right, 47% of text is likely AI. Well, that's not very good. We can improve this number, I believe. How to improve this article? First option is to use Refine with Rephraser feature inside QuillBot. But there's another option, which is my favorite, and that's Clevera itself. You can continue your conversation inside Clevera and ask Clevera to make those edits for you and make the article more human and get a better score, hopefully. Okay? Now, I also have created this prompt here, which I'm gonna include in the description for you to use if you like. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it in here and ask Clevera to just go through my entire article and make necessary edits to make it more human. Article is being rewritten by Clevera, and hopefully we'll get a better score this time. So here's the rewritten version of this article. Let's just copy article again, go to QuillBot, remove the previous one, and paste it again. Detect AI. Oh, 0%. Wow. Okay, 0% is like the best score we can get, right? So it worked 100%. Like, there's no chance that this article is written by AI. At least QuillBot will not detect it as AI written content. And that is our ultimate goal. So, as you could see, we just wrote the entire article with AI in a few minutes. And then again, we use AI to go through the article and make a better version of it that is less likely to be flagged as AI written content. Now, if you're happy with your article, you can publish it and share it on popular platforms like Notion, Confluence, etc. Or you can copy your article in Markdown format and use it wherever you want. And that's it. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching.